This is the cat's esophagus. Food is moved down the esophagus and into the cat's stomach. The esophagus is a muscular tube that contracts in a synchronized fashion, called paralysis, to move food down toward the stomach. This is the stomach. From glands that line the stomach, acid and enzymes are secreted that continue the breakdown process of the food. The stomach muscles further mix the food. This is the small intestine. The small intestine has 3 segments. The first segment is the duodenum, where further breakdown of the food takes place. The next 2 parts of the small intestine are mostly responsible for the absorption of nutrients from the processed food into the bloodstream through the walls of the intestine. This is the large intestine. The large intestine, or the colon, has 4 parts: ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon, and sigmoid colon. Altogether, the colon is approximately 60 inches long and connects to the rectum. Here, as in most other parts of the GI system, the waste product is moved along by paralysis. As the waste product passes through the colon, water is absorbed and stool is formed. The pancreas is an organ located in the abdomen. It plays an essential role in converting the food we eat into fuel for the body's cells. The pancreas has 2 main functions: an exocrine function that helps in digestion of food, and an endocrine function that regulates your blood sugar. Now Reagan is lifting up the liver. The liver has multiple functions, but its main function within the DI system is to process the nutrients absorbed from the small intestine. Bile from the liver secreted into the small intestine also plays an important role in digesting fat. This is the cat's gallbladder. The gallbladder is a small storage organ located inferior and posterior to the liver. Though small in size, the gallbladder plays an important role in our digestion of the food. The gallbladder holds bile produced in the liver until it is needed for digesting fatty foods in the duodenum of the small intestine. And finally, the rectum of the cat. The main function of the rectum is to act as a temporary storage site for fecal matter before it is eliminated from the body through the anal cavity. And here is some other information about the absorption of macromolecules.